A difference between kingdom fungi and kingdom plantae. So this is the main difference in chapter biodiversity, because in previous four kingdom classification, the fungi is also the member of kingdom Plantae. But after introducing the five kingdom classification, the fungi is separate out from the kingdom Plantae and put it as a individual kingdom. So in kingdom fungi, they have a body called mycelium, which is made up of thread-like structure called hyphae. As in my previous lecture, I have already told about the meaning of mycelium and hyphae. The body structure, the fungi body structure is made up of thread-like structures, and that is called hyphae. And the whole body structure of fungi is called as mycelium. Whereas they in kingdom Plantae, the morphology is they have a well-developed organ system, such as they have root system and leaf as well as flowers. So the appearance wise, the physical appearance of kingdom fungi and kingdom Plantae is called morphology. कि जो किंगडम फंजाई हैं वो कैसे दिख रहे हैं, उनका बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, डेलिकेट स्ट्रक्चर है फंजाई का. whereas if we compare the body structure of kingdom Plantae organism with fungi, so they have a complex structure than fungi. Kingdom Plantae have more strong morphology as compared to kingdom fungi. Now come to the next characteristic, that is cell wall. Fungal cell wall is made up of chitin instead of cellulose, whereas plant cell wall is composed of cellulose. So this is also the main difference between kingdom fungi and kingdom Plantae. The structure, the cell wall is made up of different components. That the fungal cell wall is made up of chitin, and whereas plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Next characteristics is mode of nutrition. They do not have chlorophyll pigment, so they cannot prepare their own food. That's why fungi are heterotroph, depends on other for their food. Whereas in kingdom Plantae, the organisms have chlorophyll pigment, so they have performed the function of photosynthesis for their food preparation. That's why they have autotrophic mode of nutrition. As I already told in a previous lecture, the kingdom Animalia, the organisms which the members of kingdom Animalia are heterotrophs. They cannot make their food by their own self. They are heterotrophs. वो depend करते हैं दूसरों पे. Whereas kingdom Plantae make their food by own. वो अपना food खुद बनाते हैं with the help of chlorophyll. Photosynthesis का process करते हैं. Autotrophic mode of nutrition है. खुद ही food prepare करते हैं. जबकि fungi का जो mode of nutrition है, they are heterotrophs. वो absorption mode of nutrition है उनका. वो heterotrophs हैं. सही ना. तो ये भी इन दोनों का बहुत मेन डिफरेंस था, जो कि फंजाई जो है वो किंगडम प्लांटे में जो है वो नहीं एडजस्ट हो सका. नेक्स्ट characteristic is reproduction. Fungi reproduce sexually by means of spores and by budding of fragmentation, whereas plants reproduce sexually by the help of union of male and female gametes. तो इनका जो रिप्रोडक्शन है फंजाई का वो किस तरह से है कि इनके स्पोर्स सेक्सुअली रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं और बडिंग और फ्रेगमेंटेशन के जो प्रोसेस होते हैं उससे इन लोगों की जो है वो रिप्रोडक्शन होती है. लेकिन किंगडम प्लांटे में जो मेल और फीमेल गैमीट्स हैं उनका यूनाइट होना ज़रूरी है, तब जाके वो रिप्रोड्यूस करेंगे. तो उनका मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन भी काफ़ी डिफरेंट है. उनमें प्लांट में बडिंग और फ्रेगमेंटेशन वाले प्रोसेस नहीं हो रहे हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स आर मशरूम्स, म्यूकर, पेनिसिलियम, दे और आर फंजाई. इन एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ किंगडम प्लांट